Hello, I'm Kurt Bakken, president of eSwitch. I'd like to talk to you today about the ability to add wires to your panel mount products. Whether you're looking for anti-vandal, keylock, push buttons, rockers, snap action, slides, or toggle switches for panel mounting, they're all now available with wire leads. We can customize wire length, heat shrinks, and connectors. This enables you to prototype quickly and get to production with the exact solution you need for your design. By adding the wires, connectors, and overmolding directly there at our factories, this eliminates the need to send the switch out to a second source for wire assembly labor if you don't have the capability of doing it in-house. This will simplify your lead times and production orders. You save time and money by ordering the switch pre-wired. We offer a majority of our products with standard wires as orderable parts from our distributors or directly from our website. For any additional information on one of our panel mount switches, refer to our website at eswitch.com. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get all of our future updates and latest product releases. At eswitch.com, we energize innovation.